Who came to our hotel room? A bunny, and what did he leave? Poops? Bunny poops? Are you hopping like a bunny? You gotta see, there's a whole bunch of eggs hidden all over the hotel room. Wonder where he hid them. Why don't you bring your basket with you? What the heck? Is that the pretty egg you colored?
I wonder if there's any around the bed. Crazy. Look what he left.
What's on the chair?
What? Legos!
And he left one of his babies behind.
What?
Bunny. A bunny.
Bunny poop.
But then he left you a little stuffed animal bunny. And a chocolate bunny? That's a big egg, eh? Do you want me to get you your basket?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Holy moly.
That's a big egg. Don't open it yet, buddy.
Don't open it until later. You gotta find all the other ones. Here, put them in your basket.
There's a whole bunch of different sports eggs all over the place. There's
Remember
soccer
you found
ones,
the football one?
basketball.
Let's have a look.
See if you can see any more eggs.
Oh my goodness. That's basketball. Squeeze it. Oh. Whoops. Let's put them.
Oliver,
You gotta find all of
can
them.
you look at me and say Happy Easter?